Client Finda Review. Stop chasing dead leads. Breakthrough app automatically finds laser-targeted buyer leads in any niche using AI-assisted deep search in just 45 seconds. Save time, money and other resources by collecting only targeted leads. Fully cloud-based. Nothing to download or install. Save time, money and other resources by targeting only hot leads. Easy to use. No coding or technical skills required. Search and find ultra-targeted leads using our advanced algorithm. Experience the combined power of artificial intelligence, natural language processing and machine learning. Deep search includes location and niche of businesses, their social media profiles, their online reviews, Google My Business status, FB and Google Ad pixels on their website, their website and domain details. Free commercial license. Sell targeted leads to clients and earn top dollar for your services. Commercial license included only when you act now. Get Client Finda for a one-time payment. Our conversions skyrocketed once we started contacting only targeted leads. We found using Client Finda. Get a chance to access to exclusive bonus. Introducing Client Finda, the first ever lead scraping software on Zoo with built-in deep search powered by AI, NLP and ML. Mocap. Commercial license included. Only when you act now. Get Client Finda for a one-time payment. Window. Now create and sell pre-qualified leads. In just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Target audience. Enter your target audience filters. Arrow. Step 2. View results. View businesses that are most likely to buy your services. AI, artificial intelligence, NLP. Natural language processing, ML. Machine learning. Arrow. Step 3. Close clients and profit. Contact the clients that are most likely to pay you for your services so you don't waste time, money and other resources on dead leads. Step. Your scavenger hunt for clients ends now. Increased conversions. We connect supply with enormous demand by giving you a list of leads that would be readily interested to buy your product or service. They don't have a Google My Business listing yet? Great! Here's your opportunity to dive right in and save the day. Hunt. Magnified engagement. When you give your client exactly what they need, nothing can stop you from making skyrocketing sales. We give you insights about the exact area of concern for your potential clients so that you can floor them with your business offering instantly. Increase engagement by contacting clients with prior knowledge of the problems their businesses are facing. They have ineffective ads? Sell high-converting ads to them as soon as you connect with them, almost like you read their mind. Hunt. Converting lists into customers. Client Finda doesn't give you a random list of names that you keep chasing to buy your product. Instead, it gives you leads that actually need you, increasing your chances of sealing the deal immediately. Hunt. Hassle-free and easy on the wallet. Feel like you were always in the right business, and yet you haven't been able to find clients across the USA and grow your sales? Client Finda helps you keep these feelings at bay. It gets laser-targeted customers to your doorstep without the hassles of wasting time and money on ineffective agencies and softwares. Hunt. Watch Client Finda in action. Commercial license included only when you act now. Get Client Finda for a one-time payment. Client Finda is packed with powerful features. Laser-precise lead generation in sync with client websites and domains. Website URL. Many local businesses and established brands have a website. But having that website is simply not enough. Now reach out to such businesses with the help of ClientFinda URL search to increase their client conversions by enhancing their websites. Website technology. Simplistic websites do nothing except serve an aesthetic value. Dive right into providing the right technology to the right business to raise their sales through the roof. Use powerful integrations like Shopify and WordPress to give them what it takes to succeed in the digital world. Domain registration date. This powerful search option lets you find newly launched products and services based on their domain registration that desperately need to create an incredible brand image. Now provide services like logo creation and digital marketing solutions to businesses that have registered their domain less than a month ago. Domain expiry. You will be surprised to learn how many businesses quit the digital world owing to all the hassles that come with it. Find and connect with businesses that have an expired domain. Reignite hope in their lives by offering them your marketing services and help them dominate their niche. Domain registrar and NLP server. Convert multiple clients at once through domain registrar and NLP server search. Namecheap, Name.com, GoDaddy are a few such examples. Get access to all the businesses that need your services to create an impactful digital presence. Social media footprint tracing for high converting leads. LinkedIn profile. If the business has an existing LinkedIn profile along with details about their connections. Facebook profile. If the business has a Facebook account along with statistics such as page likes, posts and activity. Laser. Facebook Messenger. Do they have an active Facebook Messenger account? Twitter. If the business is on Twitter, with details like number of followers, tweets and retweets. Instagram profile. Are they using Instagram to promote their business? Do they have a business account or is it personal? Is it verified? How active are they? Along with important factors like account name, number of followers, number of accounts the business is following. Their activity details like number of photos posted, average likes and comments per post. Are they creating reels and adding highlights to their profile? And lots more.